For removing function, drop function name is used. That is used for removing a function. So when a store function is no longer required, you can use SQL statement in SQL Star Plus to drop it. To remove a store function by using SQL Star Plus, execute the drop function SQL command. Then using create or replace versus drop and create. The replace clause in create or replace syntax is equivalent to dropping a function or recreate it. Which it is drop the existing function and recreate it. When you use create or replace function, the privileges granted on this object to the user remain the same. When you drop a function and then recreate it, the privileges granted on the function are automatically revoked. Okay. So when you drop a function and recreate it, what are the privileges that you are given? It is also revoked, means it is not working. Then if you want to review a function, then describe user source is used. So describe user source, select text from user source where type equals to function order by line. So it is used for getting a user source. Now take photo of this one.
Yes, sir.
So for viewing the function using data dictionary view, the source code of the PLSQL function is stored in the data dictionary table. The source code is accessible in the PLSQL function that are successfully or unsuccessfully compiled. To view the PLSQL code stored in the data dictionary, execute the select statement on the following table. The user underscore source table to display the PLSQL code that you own. All source table to display the PLSQL code to which you have been granted. The execute right by the owner of the subprogram code. So you have the right privileges to execute the function, like all source code is used and user source code is used to display the PLSQL code. PLSQL package is a schema object that group the logical related just a minute. PLSQL package is a schema object that group the logical related PLSQL type, variable, subprogram. Okay, so it is a package which is contain all the logical related type, whether it may be a subprogram, may be a variable, or may be a function. So everything is placed together. So here package usually have the two part. One is package specification, another is package body. The two part it will contain. Specification is the interface to the package. It declares the type, variable, constant, exception, cursor, and subprogram that can be referenced from the outside of the package. The body define the query for cursor, the code for the subprogram. It enable the Oracle server to read the multiple object into a memory one at once. Suppose you want to work with the student management database, so first of all you have to create a package for the student. So it is a schema object that group the logical related PLSQL type, variable and subprogram. The packages contain two parts. One is package specification, another is package body. Specification is the interface to the package. It declares the type. Specification means what? Declaration. Like when you are writing a program in other programming language, first you are defining a variable. Then you have to define a function. So similar way, it is just like that. The specification is the interface to the package. It declares the type, variable, constant, exception, cursor, and subprogram that can be referenced from the outside of the package. The body defines the query for the cursor and the code for the subprogram. It enables the Oracle server to read multiple object into one memory. So you can store the multiple object into one memory. বুঝে এটা? Then advantages using package. Package contain the what is the benefit is present. One is modularity. Modularity means it is encapsulating the related construct. Means which is not required for you or which portion of code is not required for you, you have to hide it. That is a modularity. Easier maintenance, keeping logical related functionality together. If you work, if you creating a information for student, the student information is placed in one place. Hiding the information. Okay. Next is easier maintenance. Next is easier application designing, coding and compiling specification and body separately. Declaration is present in one part, coding is present in another part. Next is hiding the information. Only the declaration in the package specification are visible and accessible to the application. Only the declaration part is visible. Private construct in the package body are hidden and inaccessible. Private construct is inaccessible. So those the part if you don't want to show anybody, you can hide it. Then next is easier application designing. Coding and compiling the specification and body is separately. Coding and specification is present separately. Then hiding information. Only the declaration in the package specification are visible and accessible to the application. Private construct in the package body are hidden and inaccessible. The private construct जो हमें define करेगा सेटा inaccessible रहेगा. All coding is hidden in the package body. Okay, so the package body in the package body all codings are hidden. Like in the specification you are declaring the variable, but in the implementation part you are using that variable. What are the variable you are defining in the declaration part that is used in the implementation part. So in the implementation part you cannot see the what are the things that you have declared. So these are the advantages is present. Packages provide an alternative to create a procedure and function as a standalone schema object, and they offer several benefits. Modularity and easier of maintenance. You can encapsulate logical related program structure into a named module. Each package is easy to understand and the interface between the package is simple, clear and well defined. So you can break the program into a smaller part. Easier of application designing. All you need initially is the interface information in the package specification. You can code and compile a specification without its body. Thereafter, store the program that reference the package can compile as well. It is used for easier of application design. Hiding the information. You decide which construct are public and which are private. Declaration in the package specification are visible and accessible to the application. Okay, so you decide which construct are public in the specification part. In package specification part, you are defining the variable. Some variable you have to define as a public, some variable you have to define as a private. Now, which is defined as a private, it is inaccessible. Means you give a restriction or accessibility to your code where you want to show or where you want to hide. Just a minute.